Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create public profile on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your Snapchat, and this process is simple. You will simply first of all create your normal account, and if you already have, you can also turn them to public. Now right over here, go ahead, tap on your Bitmoji icon on top left. Now simply scroll down to the bottom and then you will find this option of my public profile. Go ahead, tap on it. You can say introducing your public profile, and these are the features that you will get. If you're up for it, go ahead, tap on this OK in the bottom. Now you can see your profile is simply public. That's only the steps it takes. You can simply start tap on this new story and start continuing and start making yourself story and uploading, and they will be public. Anybody here in the Snapchat user will be able to have an access to your stories and access to your profile. You can tap on this preview profile as well and check it out, and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.